and everyone else has moved on to the next topic. Wouldn't it be funny if giraffes had short legs? Oh, what if they had short necks too? I think that would just make them a horse or a zebra. What if they had two heads, but one is shorter than the other, and the shorter one has low self-esteem because his girlfriend left him for his other longer-necked head and... Are you okay? Actually, it doesn't even matter what you like. People will find a way to force their opinions on you and try to make you only like what they like. Ew, Smash 4. Melee's better. I don't care, I still like it. Ew, One Piece? All these are better. I don't care, I still like it. Ew, that music genre? Blah blah blah's better. Wait, what? How can you even hear that? Ew, Android? Apple's Shh, shut the hell up, you don't want to start that. But what concerns me the most is when content creators are put down simply